Hey everyone, I am Sanobar, your gate architecture mentor at Safal together. Today let's take a small journey into the life that awaits you after cracking gate. Life at IIT Kharagpur, SPA Delhi and NIT Calicut. These are not just colleges, they are dream. For aspirants, places where your hard work finally turns into reality. Life at IIT Kharagpur, where architects are forged. Let's start with IIT Kharagpur. Where I am currently pursuing my masters in city planning, life at IIT KGP is a world of its own. A 2100-acre campus, literally a city within a city. A world-class academic environment with professor who shapes the country urban planning vision. Studios, lab, GIS centers, and interdisciplinary explosion, a culture of freedom, curiosity, and collaboration. And yes, the campus life is unforgettable. Fest, late night chai, cycling under huge trees, and making lifelong friends. But the biggest thing, you grow not just as a student but as a thinker. The environment pushes you to question, analyze, design, and innovate. Student life at IIT Kharagpur, freedom to create, learn from peers, surrounded by brilliance of mind from diverse background, every conversation becomes a learning opportunity. Campus beauty, vibrant fest culture. Life at SPA Delhi. Second, SPA Delhi, the dream institute for thousands of architecture and planning aspirant. Life at SPA Delhi is all about design, cultural, creativity, and academic freedom. Studio where ideas flow like energy. Strong alumni network. Some of India's top architect and planner are from SPA. Exposure to competition, workshop, and urban projects in Delhi itself. Faculty who are expert in design, heritage planning, and advanced research. SPA Delhi gives you very design oriented, industry connected environment that shape your perspective as a professional. Creativity unleashed at SPA. Hand on workshop, design competition, and industry connection. Life at NIT Calicut. Next, NIT Calicut, known for lush green campus and a very strong architecture department. Life at NIT Calicut is peaceful, nature-filled, and perfect for focused academic growth. Hand-on studio, construction yards, and strong building science fundamentals. Friendly and collaborative student culture. Excellent faculty who guide research and practical application, and the campus vibe, calm, beautiful, and full of inspiration. It's a place where you grow technically and creatively with the support of a close knit community. Why these institutes stand apart? No matter which one you join, IIT Kharagpur, SPA Delhi, or NIT Calicut, GATE opens door to a strong academic foundation, better design planning and analytic skills, networking with brilliant mind, campus placement, research opportunity and internship, a new vision of you, more confident, mature and future ready. These institutes don't just give a degree, they give you an identity. Imagine your future. Your dream campus is closer than you think. Picture yourself in world class studios surrounded by passionate peers, guided by master architects, creating a design that will shape tomorrow's cities. This isn't just imagination, it's your achievable future. The path from where you are today to walking through those prestigious gates begins with one committed decision to prepare with dedication and the right guidance. So, if you're preparing for Gate Architecture 2026, right now close your eyes and imagine yourself walking inside IIT Kharagpur or attending your first studio at SPA Delhi or sketching on lawns of NIT Calicut. These dreams can be yours. I started just like you, confused, unsure, tired, and but determined. And if I can reach IIT Kharagpur, you can reach your dream college too. For structure guidance, mock test, and hand holding support, join me at Safal Together Warrior Batch, where we work together to turn your dream into reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gate architecture video. This is Sanobar signing off. See you in the class.